Are you a Gen Zer looking to secure your financial success? Here are some smart money moves to help you achieve your goals. First, establish a budget to track your income and expenses. This will help you understand where your money is going and where you can make adjustments. Next, start building an emergency fund. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in case of unexpected emergencies. Invest in yourself by continuing your education and developing new skills. This will increase your earning potential in the long run. Consider investing in the stock market to grow your wealth over time. Start with low-cost index funds or seek guidance from a financial advisor. Don't forget to save for retirement early on. The power of compound interest can help your money grow significantly over time. Lastly, take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans and maximize your contributions to benefit from any matching contributions. By following these smart money moves, you can set yourself up for financial success and a secure future. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and advice on managing your finances.